Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Let me understand this if I may. Are you saying that there are people on the moon?
Yes.
There are.
Yes.
And they are demigods?
Yes.
They are demigods. How do you know this?
From our scripture, from Vedic literature.
From what literature?
Vedic literature.
How do you spell it?
V-E-D-I-C.
Oh, Vedic. I beg your pardon.
Yes.
You'll forgive me if I must ask.
That's all right. That doesn't.
I don't mean to affront you.
Sometimes I do not follow your accent.
I know.
Yeah,
I know.
that is difference of country. That doesn't. Yes.
And from that literature, Vedic literature,
Yes.
it is stated in that there are people on the moon,
Oh, yes.
but they're demigods.
The demigods means they are highly advanced than this human being. Therefore, they are also living entities like us. But their duration of life, their standard of life, their civilization, their spiritual knowledge so advanced that they are called demigods. Almost God. They are so advanced. Demigods means almost God.
Yeah.
They have got all godly qualities. And they are controller of the atmospheric affairs. Some of them are controlling rainy season, some of them controlling heat. As you have got controller here, some departmental, director of this department, director of that department. Similarly, why don't you think that this cosmic manifestation, there is a great brain behind it and there are different directors and there is the management. People do not access the nature. What do you mean by nature? Such nice things, such wonderful things are going on automatically without any control. Yes.
Well, I don't know. It's a question that, of course, one asks oneself all the time. Yes, it's part of man's quest to find himself, and.
But they should have common sense that you are trying to float one Sputnik. So many scientific brains are working, and millions of wonderful Sputniks, which are called planets, they are floating in the air. There is no brain behind it. What is it? Is that very good reasoning?
I don't know. I must ponder that.
And we should know it. How it can be? There must be a very big brain behind it. They are working.
Now, do you say that the moon is, so to speak, what should I say, headquarters? Where these demigods
No,
live?
there are many planets on the same level.
Oh.
There are many planets. Moon is one of them. Okay.
Have any of these demigod creatures visited the earth, or I mean?
Formally they used to, because at that time people were worth to see them.
When you say formally, you mean thousands of years ago, or?
No, at least 5,000 years ago.
At least 5,000 years ago. The last time that we would know. Are they in human form?
Yes, we so far we get information. Sometimes great sacrifices were performed, and demigods from other planets, they were invited, and they used to come.
And this is, your authority for this statement is based in the Vedic literature?
Yes.
I see.
It is not manufactured by me.
Oh, I know, no, I'm not implying that. No, but I just want to know where the...
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.